common problem in drilling metal is getting the drill bit to start exactly the spot that you want it to. The problem is that the bit has a tendency to wander on the hard surface. So until they come up with a wonder product that can prevent that, you can solve it with nothing more than a hammer and a center punch. What you want to do is mark a little depression right where you want to drill the hole. Then clamp it in place. Now this works not only for flat stock, but also it's a really great tip for drilling round pipe or any curved metal surface. Okay, now because of that depression, the drill bit will start cutting exactly where you want it. There you go. Got the hole right exactly where I needed it. Now, if you don't happen to have a center punch, you can also use a nail set and get the same result. Either way, this is a simple solution that works.